In the heart of India's infrastructure boom, where roads, railways, and towering structures shape the skyline, one name stands tall: Ashlia Consultants Private Limited. With decades of expertise, Ashlia Consultants Private Limited is a leader in providing precise, cutting-edge solutions in the field of land surveying for the development of critical infrastructure across the world. From designing vast highway networks to advancing the country's railway systems, Ashlia Consultants plays a crucial role in ensuring that these lifelines of transportation are built with precision, safety, and sustainability. The power that drives our homes and businesses, and the communication lines that connect us to the world, Ashlia's services pertain in survey along with transmission lines and fiber optic networks ensures that these infrastructures, whether it's urban planning, hydropower projects, or developing water resources, Ashlia's vision extends to every corner of society. We design cities, towns, and villages with an emphasis on sustainability and development. In mining and airport development, Ashlia Consultants ensures that these major industries are supported by the best surveying techniques, ensuring safety and precision in every project. At the forefront of modern technology, Ashlia integrates GIS, CAD, and CAM solutions to create detailed maps, manage data, and ensure the success of every infrastructure project. Ashlia Consultants leverages cutting-edge technology in land surveying to enhance accuracy and efficiency. With a focus on continuous learning and innovation, the company leads the way in adopting advanced tools and techniques. Ashlia is committed to upgrading semi-skilled personnel through comprehensive training, bridging the gap between theory and practice. By focusing on modern land surveying techniques and data analysis, we ensure an industry-ready workforce, collaborating with construction companies, institutions, and regulatory bodies to meet the needs of the civil construction industry. Opening the doors for fresh talent, Ashlia nurtures the next generation of professionals through internship and apprenticeship programs. We collaborate with educational institutions to provide hands-on experience, creating a smooth transition from academic learning to real-world practice. Beyond business, Ashlia believes in giving back to society. Through community engagement, pro bono services for public welfare projects, and volunteer initiatives, we contribute to the growth and well-being of communities. As we look towards the future, Ashlia Consultants Private Limited remains steadfast in its commitment to delivering excellence in every project. With precision, innovation, and a dedication to shaping India's infrastructure, we continue to build the foundation for a brighter tomorrow by adhering to strong moral values and ethics.